Hello! We are currently manufacturing 12 voltage 200 AIA Bluetooth type lithium batteries for our esteemed customers. As you all know, this type of battery has become very popular and has been applied in recreational vehicles, ships, low voltage systems, and other projects. From a single cell to a reliable lithium battery solution, the pursuit of excellence is embedded in every step of EcoLith's manufacturing process. We insist on using brand new grade A cells to ensure superior consistency and long cycle life from the source. Automated welding, meticulous assembly, and 100% full testing before shipment. Equipped with automotive-grade BMS, our batteries provide comprehensive protection against overcharge, overdischarge, short circuit. All these contribute to the final product you receive, a high-performance, safe, and sleek lithium battery. For RVing, marine, solar storage, or off-grid applications, EcoLith is your trusted iron energy partner. Bluetooth function. Step 1. Open your phone and scan the first app, QR code. Step 2. After completing the app registration, use the Zhaoxiang Electric app to scan the second QR code to view the specific parameters of the battery, including the battery's capacity, voltage, current, and charging-discharging status.